morning, students. Today we discuss about MS Access. Now we first of all we discuss about how to open MS Access. First of all, click on the start button and go to the all programs. In this, click on MS Office. In MS Office, click on Microsoft Office Access 2007. Now this is the MS Access. First of all, we create a database, a blank database. Give the name to this database. I give a name like students. So click on create. So this is the database. This database is created and this is a table, and now we create a table in this database. And first of all, we enter a field name. In this table we enter a field name in from a design view. Click on the database tools. Okay, in home tab, click on views. Open the design view. First of all, a dialog box appear on the screen. Give a name to the table. I give a name student record and click on OK. And this is the design view of database. First of all, enter the field name like student name, class, roll number, address, father name, mother name. So, and also we can you adjust the data type of the each field like that. Student name, the field of this the data type of this field, you can choose text, number, data type. If you use text, then we can enter numbers and characters both, and if you choose numbers, then you can enter only numbers. If you use the date and time, you can enter only date and time. So that so we use the roll number. Data type of this field roll number is number. Okay, now back to table. Yes, when you close this design view, the dialog box appear on the screen. You must first save this table and then you can click on yes. Okay, now see, these fields are entered in the table, and now we enter some data of the students. First of all, we enter and enter the class of the each student. Like that, and roll number, give to the roll number to each student, like that, and type the address, enter the father name, anything, and enter mother name you want. So student, uh, in this tutorial we learn how to create a database and how to create a table in this database. Okay, so thank you students. In next tutorial we discuss about more features of MS Access, and thank you.